Hello, my name is Nadia and I will be showing you 3 recipes that are super yummy and it's amazing. They're called a starch solution recipes and I use them in order to reduce my acne. And you're probably wondering, what is starch solution? It's basically, the idea is just creating food that has no oil and it's plant-based. I'm someone who doesn't advocate to be 100% plant-based. I am, because I had severe circumstances of having severe acne. But if you're not like me, you could still be healthy and add these meals to your diet. But if you want to get rid of your acne, highly recommend this. I've done this for about 3 years now with no oil. I've been plant-based for 5 years, but 3 years I've been actually practicing cooking no oil recipes. And of course I'm not perfect, but it's been so helpful in reducing my acne. Look at that. And I had cystic acne, guys. Anyway, keep on watching this video if you want to cook these recipes at home. I'll show you the first one, breakfast time. All right, see you in a bit. Strawberry oatmeal, one of my favorites. So I'm going to put, I think that's a cup of oatmeal, oats, I mean, with water. I'm adding some cinnamon, vanilla extract. You can play around with the spices as long as it tastes good to you. Just cook it according to the directions and that's it. It took about 5 minutes and it's ready to go. I'm adding my syrup, which was super easy to make. All you do is just slow cook the frozen strawberries for about 10 minutes and you get that syrupy, creamy, well, not creamy, syrupy strawberry flavor. Take that in. I'm gonna add my sweetness of maple syrup because it's always delicious with maple syrup. And that's really it. Okay. I'm gonna taste it. I like sweet stuff. You don't have to put that much maple syrup, but I put quite a bit accidentally. But it's good, guys. It's delicious. My next favorite, the baked macaroni. So this is a very cool recipe because it is cheesy and it's creamy. And all you do is just blend all the ingredients. As you can see, I put cashews with water and now nutritional yeast. And with some lemon, I think it's like a tablespoon of lemon, with some miso paste. Yes, you heard it, miso paste, along with some onion, chili, and some salt. And I will put the description down below, the link of the recipe in the description down below. And yeah, I cooked my macaroni and that was super quick. And I'm just gonna put it in a tray that is way too big for it. If you have a smaller tray, use that. And now I'm going to add my creamy sauce over it. And it may seem liquidy at first, but as it slow cooks in the oven, it will dry up and become creamier and just thicker. I am adding my breadcrumbs because that's the bomb. And I'm gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And add some vegetables because according to the starch solution diet, you must add 2/3 of vegetables to your plate. All right, guys, I'm sorry for the lighting. It's dark out, even though it's 3:30 p.m. The weather is just really damp and moist, and yeah, it just looks like it's about to rain, which I actually like. I like it when it rains, but nonetheless, for you guys, I'm so sorry. The lighting just sucks, but it's okay. The show must go on. I'm eating my mac and cheese with some veggies. Oh, hello, just rolled off. So I'm gonna try it out. Oh, I'm gonna see if I like it. I'll be honest with you. I already know I would like it because it's probably the 5th time I've cooked this. It was just so good. It's so creamy. What the heck? Actually, I have an idea. Hold on. I have my extra sauce, so I'm gonna add some on it. All right, let me just add a bit, just a little bit, just a little dab. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, you could save this for the next day. If you really like this recipe, you could just save the leftovers and cook it another day. All right, guys, so I pressed my tofu, meaning I took out all the water out of it and drained it. And I basically just made it into little chunks and broke it off into little chunks. And now I am adding some salt because we need some salt to make it tasty. And then I'm going to put some black pepper and make sure that it goes through all of those little chunks and add, egg replacer. There's no egg in that, but it has a lot of starch. That makes it thick and crusty as it bakes. So this will help it make that texture look like chicken. So it's super important that you have that starch go through all throughout the tofu, and just put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 375 degrees, I believe. And that's it. And then the sauce, we shall make the sauce, the orange chicken sauce. So I added some orange juice and then some soy sauce and maple syrup. To make it sweet and a bit salty all at the same time. And then I'm adding some fermented pepper and starch again, and ginger. That's super important. It's going to have that kink to that. And then I just mix it, make sure everything is just fully mixed. And then I am ready to add some water just for kicks. And that's really it. I add some of my brown rice that's already cooked, and I am about to fry, quote unquote, fry the sauce with no oil. And basically it takes 2 minutes to fry it up and it's ready. So, okay, do you see my chicken? It's not chicken, but it does look like chicken, doesn't it? I'm going to add it into the sauce and mix it really quick. Now that the sauce is thickened, you don't want it to cook too thick. And yeah, that's really it. Honestly, it's just so easy once you get the hang of it. And you just mix it all in together. And that's really it. I don't know what else to say except that this is amazing. This is awesome. This is cool. This is yummy. And yeah. All right, now I am going to fry, quote unquote, fry the vegetables. And I just put basically splashes of water. I don't overload the vegetables with water because I do want it to look fried. And oh, I guess I'm showing you my avocado mixed in with the bowl. There's a quick look of that. And I will eat my vegetables along with my meal. All right, guys, I shall try it. Doesn't that look pretty? Dang. Okay. It's so good. The texture is like chicken. It's crispy and soft. It's sweet and salty. And no oil. Man. I will say though, once that sauce thickens, right away put in that chicken in the mix and mix it up. Don't cook it too long. It should be in less than 2 minutes to cook it at medium heat. I'm speaking about the sauce. Man. I approve. I will say though, guys, I was going to say something. I will say though, guys, that this kind of recipe, you gotta eat it really quick. Don't save it until like the 4th day or else it's gonna just get soggy. But other than that, it's just so delicious and it's so yummy. and filling, and you got your vegetables on the side. I'm gonna make vegetables seem cool again. Look at that, green, a lot of nutrition here. Look what I eat and look at my hair. Look at my skin. So I will say though, when you cook the chicken, just flip it halfway through, I don't know, 15 minutes in, just flip it. You want it crispy on both sides, so yeah. So that is what I eat in a day as a plant-based eater. 3 starch solution recipes that you could use. I will leave the recipes in the description below. And this is no oil, plant-based recipes that are catered for those who want to get rid of their acne. This is what I enjoy to eat. You can eat healthy and enjoy it and feel good and get the benefits of it. And I think it's a win-win for me. So if you like the video, like the video. If you wanna text me, you can't, but you can leave a comment down below. Have a great day, bye.